So the first step that I did was remove the exhaust cover, and then I started removing the exhaust. Before you're able to remove the exhaust, you have to remove the servo motor cables, and then you'll see that once you remove the cover. Okay, next what we're going to do is remove these cables. We have to take off the seat, these little side panels. And, yeah, let's get to it. Let's see how long it's going to take. Okay, so next you'll want to remove the cables, and you'll loosen up. There's a bracket that's attached with the cables, and then I move that brake reservoir out of the way. That way I can get more space. And then after that, you'll start removing the side panels. You want to remove the seat. Because the motor's underneath the tank, so you need to make space, and you need to try to get as much room as you can. You'll see that later on in the video as well. Next, you'll see me remove, there's two nuts that are attached to the gas tank. Those will give you room to wiggle the gas tank up and down, give you more space, so you can reach the motor underneath the gas tank. I'll show it as well. Up, remove these two bolts right here on both sides. I don't know if you can see, that's the nut that was holding the gas tank in place. Right now I'm removing the bolt that's attached to the gas tank and the bracket. So that one's holding both of them together, and you'll see that as well. Now you see you get that play, so you can access the let me give you guys so this bracket, the motor's right underneath that, and by removing those you can get more play. And this is my first bike I've ever owned. I've never had any other bike before this. It's my learning bike, my riding bike, and I'll probably just stick to an R6. Everything I've done to it, I've done it myself. Just the bracket. Now I have a lot more room to play with. See? The motor right down there. See, the clip is right there. The strap, you won't need it, so you can just take it off and remove it. Okay, so after I removed the bracket, I was able to remove the motor, and then all you do is pull it right up, and the cable should come right through. After you remove the motor, you can go ahead and plug in your servo buddy. All you do is plug it in. Pretty easy, just plug and play, and then you start putting everything back together. Okay, so once you start putting all the bolts together, make sure you always tighten them and put some thread lock. You don't want these bolts or nuts getting loose since they're securing a gas tank. So let's go ahead and slide. So next I just start securing all the nuts, putting the bracket back on, start putting the side panels, the seat, making sure everything's tightened and ready to go. So at this point my camera stopped recording and I installed the exhaust. That was the easiest part. All you do is slide the exhaust, tighten the clamp, and put the spacer where the old bolt used to be. That's pretty much it. Next, I'll remove the baffle that's inside of the exhaust just to hear the difference. I did leave it off as I took it for a spin down to Tecate. The mountains were really nice. As you can see, I also have my little helper right here. She helps me in all the ways she can. So yeah, we'll see how it sounds. Hey, come over here. Come on this side. Come over here on this side. So the muffler wasn't too hot yet, so. Hi.
Hey, Papa. Papa.
Take it off. It's a little warm, nothing too hard.
Hey, Papa.
Oh, I'm gonna turn it on. Cool, cool. You get scared.